welcome back to the channel. First of all, let's start with telling you to go down, click the subscribe button, and like the video for more great videos yet to come. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to build a floating wine bottle holder out of just a 1x4. So, without further ado, on to the video. Okay, so this is fairly simple. We've already measured our board. We're going to cut it at 11 3/4 inches. Going by my calculations and from trial and error, that's what we done the first one like. So we're going to do the second one. There we go. Okay, now that we've got our board cut at 11 3/4, we're gonna tilt the bevel, and I've got it set right now at 33 degrees. Like I said, just after trial and error, I figured out that it's gonna set pretty close to like that and hold the wine bottle. You don't have to worry about it crashing either way. So we'll get this cut and get that part out of the way. There we go. She'll sit pretty close to just like that. Okay, now we're back over to the table. I've already marked it at 1 3/4 from each side, and I went 2 inches down. That's going to be the center of our circle. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's what we've got. And what we're going to do, we're going to use a circle cutter, a hole saw. Some people call it either or. And we're going to go about 1/2 to 3/4 of the way through, flip it over, and go the rest from the back. That way we don't splinter it out. Okay, now that we've got our hole cut, we did that with our hole saw. Had some video difficulties, so you didn't get to see that video, but it didn't only take but maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So most of that's self-explanatory. You clip your piece down, you start off, go about halfway through, then you flip it over, and then you'll have the pilot hole that the bit sticks out. Then you finish the rest of the way, and then it gives you a nice clean cut with no splatter. Now, what we're going to do is, since that's a perfect hole, we're just going to touch it up a little bit. We're going to go inside of it with a router bit and give it a nice little contoured edge, just something that the wine bottle can just slide onto without causing any damage to either the wood or hopefully the wine bottle. Okay, we've got our router out now. We've got our bit, and it's got one of the little guides, the little ball bearing guides on it. So that's going to sit on the inside of the circle, and it'll keep us from going too deep back into the wood, but it'll be a perfect smooth edge on it. Now normally I like to use a smaller quick grip for this kind of stuff, but my quick grips are out of commission right now, but I'm using a C-clamp. If you decide to go this route, I would get a piece of scrap wood, put over top of your project, so when you crank it down, you don't leave a little circle imprint on top of your finished project. So now, I don't always wear my safety glasses, but most of the time they're on my head. This time with the router, we're going to put them down because it kicks out a little bit of stuff. finished project. Nice and smooth, no burrs, nothing like that. So next we will put a wine bottle in it. I'll be right back. Alright, we've got a typical wine bottle. It's not really wine, this is sparkling peach cider. My kids love this. But it's still a 750 milliliter bottle, which is standard to any wine bottle. And you just set it in the hole. And there it is. Nothing holding it. So there you go. A how-to on a freestanding wine bottle holder. The next video we'll probably do a little staining, maybe do a little burning to it, put a nice little finish on it, and maybe give it to somebody for a gift. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget, click the subscribe button, click the like the video. That way you'll be updated on any future videos that we may do. So thanks for watching.